On a college campus, it isn't uncommon to have conversations about various topics that affect the community and world around us. However, there is one topic people tend to steer away from. People at Gilbert Graves Clinic are working to change the stigma around the conversation of sexually transmitted diseases and getting tested.
We just think it's really important to make sure that you're aware of how easily it is to contract these diseases. A lot of people think that you have to have multiple partners in order to get an STI or STD, when in reality, people can get an STI or an STD the first time that they engage in intercourse. So it's just really important to make sure that you know what puts you at risk and what are some ways that you can protect yourself from that risk. So I think that it's based on your relationship and what kind of relationship you already have with that person, but you definitely need to discuss what each other is comfortable with. If you're still in the stages where you're using condoms, making sure that you're staying consistent with that and making sure that both person feels safe in that relationship. But if you are looking to stop using condoms, it would be definitely worth a conversation of whether or not each other has been tested in the past couple of months, and if they know their status, what that status is.
So with the OraQuick HIV test that we use, there's a little mouth swab. And so the person that's coming in to get tested shouldn't eat or drink or use like any kind of oral care products 30 minutes before. And it's a little mouth swab. And so they swab around the inside of their cheeks and inside of their lips. And then there's a little fluid. And we set this up. One line at the top means that it's negative, and 2 means that it's positive or reactive.
Now, according to the Center for Disease Control, 50% of the 20 million new diagnosed STDs each year come from the ages 15 to 24. A large percentage of that are from college students underestimating the risk of unprotected sex. Learn your status. For News Channel 12, I am Marie Mennefield.